Hi everyone. Today in this video I am going to solve examples on reducible to linear differential equations, that is also called as Bernoulli's equations. So let's get started. Bernoulli's equation. So in this case, suppose the equation to be solved. Suppose the equation to be solved is of the form is of the form dy by dx plus py is equal to q into y raised to n, where p and q are p and q are the functions of x only. The functions of x only. So in this case I will write first dy by dx, that is dy by dx plus py is equal to q into y raised to n. So now dividing throughout by this y raised to n, the right hand side term is y raised to n, so dividing throughout by y raised to n, dividing throughout by throughout by y raised to n. If we dividing throughout by y raised to n, we get 1 divided by y raised to n into dy divided by dx plus next term is p into y divided by y raised to n is equal to right hand side y raised to n and y raised to n get cancels, you will get q only. If you transpose this y raised to n in numerator, you will get y raised to minus n dy divided by dx plus similarly p into, if you transpose this y raised to n in numerator, here the power of y is equal to 1, and after transposing you will get y raised to 1 minus n is equal to q. Now we have to substitute this y raised to 1 minus n is equal to t. If you substitute y raised to 1 minus n is equal to t, y raised to 1 minus n is equal to t. Differentiate. I will write here put. Differentiate. What we will get? Differentiation of y raised to 1 minus n is equal to 1 minus n into y raised to 1 minus n and minus 1 into dy divided by dx is equal to differentiation of t with respect to x is dt divided by dx. Then transpose this 1 minus n to the right hand side. Then what you will get? Here y raised to minus n only, because this plus 1 and this minus 1 get cancels. We are left with only minus n into dy by dx into dy by dx is equal to 1 divided by n minus 1 into dt divided by dx. dt divided by dx. You have to substitute this value of y raised to minus n into dy by dx here. Here in equation you can say, I will write, that is equation number 1. You have to substitute here, that is y raised to minus n into dy by dx. So substitute in equation 1 or put in equation 1. What we get, that is 1 divided by n minus 1 into dt divided by dx plus p into this y raised to 1 minus n value. This y raised to 1 minus n value is equal to t, because we have taken this is equal to t. Y raised to 1 minus n is equal to t is equal to q. Now try to eliminate this 1 divided by n minus 1. So multiplying both the sides by n minus 1, we get, multiplying both sides by both sides by 1 minus n. Sorry, I have written here not n minus 1, this is 1 minus n. Here also you can write it as 1 minus n, multiplying both these sides by 1 minus n. Then what we get, here left hand side we are left with only dt divided by dx plus p divided by 1 minus n into t is equal to q divided by 1. Sorry, I have to multiply. So here I can write it as, this is 1 minus n into p into t is equal to 1 minus n into q. Sorry, here I have to multiply it. So therefore we can write it as dt by dx plus 1 minus n into p into t is equal to 1 minus n into q. So this is of the form, actually this equation is of the form a linear differential equation, that is dy by dx plus py is equal to q, where in place of q we have this total 1 minus n into q. This p value, y value is equal to t. Here also y value is equal to t, and this p value is equal to total 1 minus n into p. So this is a linear differential equation. So I'll write which is a linear equation, which is a linear equation which is a linear equation with t as dependent variable. Okay, so just you please remember, the given differential equation is in the form of dy by dx plus py is equal to q into y raised to n. If you compare the first equation with this equation, just only in right hand side we have y raised to n as extra term. Okay, if the power of y is in right hand side, then we can divide with that term, that is dividing throughout by y raised to n. And whenever you will divide throughout by y raised to n, you will get this equation number 1. And in equation number 1, if you take the coefficient of p is equal to t, then you will get the first term after differentiating. After differentiating, you will get first term in each and every example, and then it will be converted in the form of linear equation, and then you can find integrating factor and find the solution. Now let us see the examples. Solve dy by dx. Solve dy by dx plus xy is equal to x into y cube. Okay, in this case, if you compare with dy by dx plus py is equal to q, that is the term containing y is extra in RHS. So this is the extra term. Okay, if you compare with dy by dx plus py is equal to q, because p and q are in terms of x. So therefore, with compared to that, this x is nothing but q. So the extra term is y raised to 3. So dividing throughout by y raised to 3. Dividing throughout by y raised to 3. Y raised to 3. We get. Okay. So if you divide to the first term, if you divide to the first term by y raised to 3, you will get 1 divided by y raised to 3 into dy by dx plus x into y divided by y raised to 3 is equal to, you will get x. Now this y raised to 3, if you transpose in numerator, you will get y raised to minus 3 into dy by dx into dy by dx plus this x as it is. If you transpose this y raised to 3 in numerator, you will get y raised to minus 2, because 1 minus 3 is equal to minus 2, and here we are left with x. Now in such cases, we have to take the coefficient of x. The coefficient of x is equal to y raised to minus 2. You have to put this value is equal to t, and after differentiating, you will get this value. After differentiating, definitely you will get this value. Let us see here. Put t square, t raised to y raised to minus 2 is equal to t. Put y raised to minus 2 is equal to t. Then differentiate minus 2 into y raised to minus 3 into dy divided by dx is equal to dt divided by dx. If you differentiate with respect to x, you will get minus 2 into y raised to minus 3 into dy by dx is equal to dt by dx. Transpose this minus 2 to the right hand side. So y raised to minus 3 into dy divided by dx is equal to dt by dx. Now you can check. I have taken the coefficient of x is equal to y raised to minus 2 as t, and after differentiating this, we will get this term. So therefore this term is nothing but this term. Okay, so I will write, say this is equation number 1. So put in equation 1. Put in equation 1. If we substitute in equation 1, this value in equation 1 means left hand side becomes, that is dt, sorry, this is divided by 1 minus 2, I have forgotten. So this is 1 divided by minus 2. So I will write here minus 1 divided by 2 into dt divided by dx plus x into t is equal to, right hand side you will get x only. Okay, now multiplying throughout by minus 2, multiplying throughout by minus 2, multiplying both sides by minus 2. Okay, if you multiplying by minus 2, what you will get? We get, that is dt divided by dx minus 2x into t is equal to minus 2x, and this is in the form of dy by dx plus py is equal to q, which is in the form of dy by dx by dx plus py is equal to q, where p value is equal to minus 2x, q value is equal to minus 2x, and y value is equal to t. Okay, so therefore I will write directly, that is p is equal to, this value is equal to p, minus 2x is equal to p, and q value is also equal to this minus 2x. Now we can find integrating factor. If is equal to e raised to integration of p into dx. This is equal to e raised to integration of minus 2x into dx is equal to e raised to minus 2 is constant, I will write as it is. What is integration of x? Integration of x is x square divided by 2, where this 2 and 2 get cancelled. So you will get e raised to minus x square. So this is integrating factor. Therefore its solution is given by. Therefore its solution is, therefore required solution is, solution is y into integrating factor, but y value is equal to t here, t into integrating factor is equal to integration of q into integrating factor into dx plus c. Only in place of y we have t. Then substitute, that is t into integrating factor is e raised to minus x square is equal to integration of q value is minus 2x into integrating factor value is e raised to minus x square into dx plus c. Okay, now substitute the value for put. So first I will write, we have to find this integration. To find this integration, I will take this term as I here and say this is equation number 2. So now put minus x square is equal to t. Then what is differentiation? Minus 2x into dx is equal to dt. Therefore above integral becomes I is equal to integration of minus 2x into e raised to minus x square into dx. So this term becomes, this is equal to integration this is e raised to this minus x square. Minus x square is equal to, sorry, I will take here v because t is already in the equation. So in spite of t, I will take v. So that is e raised to v. The remaining term is this minus 2x and dx. Minus 2x and dx is nothing but you will get dv. What is integration of e raised to v? Integration of e raised to v is e raised to v. But what is the value for v? V value is equal to e raised to, that is minus x square you will get. And this is the value of I. Substitute in equation 1. Therefore, sorry, equation 2. Therefore, equation 2 becomes, therefore, equation 2 becomes t into e raised to minus x square is equal to e raised to minus x square and plus c, which is the required solution. If we substitute in equation 2 the value for this I, you will get the required solution. Now next example, solve. dy by dx, dy by dx plus y into tan x is equal to y cube into sec x. So actually p and y are the functions of x only. Therefore the extra term is y raised to 3. Dividing throughout by y raised to 3. Dividing throughout by y raised to 3. Okay, then what you get? 1 divided by y raised to 3 dy by dx plus y divided by y raised to 3 tan x is equal to only sec x, and the same term we can write it as y raised to minus 3 into dy by dx. This y divided by y raised to 3, one of the y get cancels and transpose in numerator means you will get y raised to minus 2 into tan x is equal to sec x. So now here coefficient of x is y raised to minus 2. So put y raised to minus 2 is equal to t. Then what is minus differentiation? Minus 2 into y raised to minus 3 into dy by dx is equal to dt divided by dx. Okay, transpose this minus 2 to the right hand side. Y raised to minus 3 into dy by dx is equal to minus 1 divided by 2 into dt divided by dx. Substitute this value in equation number 1. I will say this is equation number 1. If you substitute this value in equation 1 and this y raised to minus 2 here, you will get, that is minus 1 divided by 2 into dt divided by dx plus t into tan x is equal to sec x. Multiplying both sides by minus 2. Multiplying both sides by minus 2. We get what we get, that is dt divided by dx plus or minus 2, I will write tan x here, minus 2 tan x into t is separate is equal to minus 2 sec x. And if you compare with dy by dx plus py is equal to q, this is p value, this is p value, this is q value, and this t is nothing but y value. What is its solution? So first I will write p is equal to minus 2 tan x, q is equal to minus 2 sec x. Then integrating factor if is equal to, what is formula for integrating factor? E raised to integration of p into dx, and this is equal to e raised to integration of p value is minus 2 into tan x into dx is equal to e raised to, okay, minus 2 is constant. What is integration of tan x? Integration of tan x is equal to minus log cos x, because minus I will write as it is. What is differentiation of log cos x? 1 divided by cos x into differentiation of cos x is minus sin x. This minus minus becomes plus sign, and sin by cos x is equal to tan x. So this is integration of tan x, that is minus log cos x. And now minus into minus, this minus into minus is equal to plus, so e raised to 2 logarithm of cos x, 2 logarithm of cos x, and that is e raised to log, e raised to log cos square x, and total you will get e raised to log get cancels, we are left with only cos square x. So this is integrating factor. Therefore the required solution is, therefore the required solution is, so y into, in place of y we have t, means you will get t into integrating factor is equal to integration of q into integrating factor into dx plus c, that is t into integrating factor value is cos square x is equal to integration of, what is q value? The value of q is equal to minus 2 sec x. This is the value for q, so that is minus 2 sec x, minus 2 sec x into integrating factor value is cos square x into dx and plus c is equal to minus 2 as it is, integration of sec x we can write it as 1 divided by cos x into cos square x into dx and plus c, where one of the cos x get cancels, so we get minus 2 integration of cos x into dx plus c. What is integration of cos x? Minus 2 as it is, integration of cos x is equal to sin x plus c. Left hand side we have t into cos square x, and at last substitute the value for t. T value is equal to y raised to minus 2, that is 1 divided by y square cos square x is equal to minus 2 into sin x and plus c. This is the required solution.